everyone, a very quick video. I just wanted to show you can even decoupage a cake form. So firstly I use primer, which I spray painted it outside, then I let it dry, and the next, see there it was still wet. The next was applying one layer of white paint, which I let dry, and I just want to show you guys very quick. You can use it for somebody who loves to bake, but only for decorative use now, okay? So no putting cake or something inside it. So now I am using decoupage glue. You can use Mod Podge, but make sure it is a good amount of decoupage glue, applying pressure, and you go slowly around. So just don't like, see here I don't have enough glue. So good amount of glue, applying pressure, and go slowly around, and even the wrinkles will be gone. So make sure, and I sometimes use my fingers just to smooth it out, but with my pressure and the brush I am smoothing out the wrinkles. And the next step was just taking off the napkin, the excess of the napkin, applying a little bit of paint, and that's it. That's it. This is how easy it is. And since I am making a sweet cake inspired centerpiece out of it, I made some chocolates. I make some decorations to go in it as well, which I painted and sealed them, of course, as well with varnish. And then I just sealed my cake form with pouring glaze. Of course, you can use varnish, and that's it. Technically, you are done. You are finished. If you just want to give it somebody as Christmas decor, but no baking inside. Please, no baking inside. But for me, this is not yet done. I am making a centerpiece out of it. So I let it all dry, and I make some other decoration to go inside, like these chocolates. Some, and yes, I made a gingerbread houses, and I completely forgot about them. So I'm gonna use them in something else, but I painted it all, and here it is all finished. I did some decoupage hearts. I decoupaged the tree, adding my handmade decor into it, some wooden spoons and such, some muffin. I hope you like this very short, quick video, and until next time, bye.